Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this smart band. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this smart band, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. Now, tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see your XIAOMI Smart Band 8. Now, tap on the Manage Band Displays. Here find the custom category and tap on it. Now select one of the styles. You have different styles of custom watch face. I'm gonna select this one, but you can select anything you like. And once you select the style, you will be able to customize the color of the text. You can also tap on the custom color option. Something went wrong, crashed I think, or something like that. As you can see, the app is unresponsive for some reason. Let me actually reopen it quickly. Okay, now it's working. That was weird. Anyway, select the color of the text, scroll down, and at the bottom you have this slideshow category, and on it it's barely visible, but you have a plus button. You can tap on this plus button. It will bring you to the file manager or photos app, and basically you can select the photos for your watch face. I'm gonna open the download folder, and here I have two photos, and let's say I want to use one of them or both of them as a watch face. You can tap on the photo to select it, then you can crop the image. So basically you can zoom in, zoom out, and move around the image, and whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area will be on our watch face. Because the picture is too big to fit on the watch face, we need to select only part of it. And once you crop the image, tap on continue, and here we have a preview of our watch face. Like I said before, you can also have multiple pictures, so you can tap on the plus button and add another one, and you can add up to 8 pictures. So select how many pictures you want, add them, and once you're done, tap on apply, and it's gonna start installing the watch face. Okay, and once the watch face is done installing, you will see that it's gonna be applied on your smart band. And to cycle between the photos, if you have one or more, you can simply tap on the current watch face to cycle between the watch faces. Okay, and that's how you install, or rather set an image as a watch face on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.